All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you how to adjust the column, the margins on the page. So we go to page layout, and here we can change the margin. So let me look for the margin. Gonna click this to give us the page setup dialog box. So here now we can set the right margin, the left margin. We can set the gutter, right? So I'm gonna adjust the gutter and show it, right? So I'm gonna put this to um 2 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, and all right, let us put it to 10. All right, so let me go back to page setup. I'm gonna bring up the dialog box. The gutter is that part on the page if you want to bound it, right? This is the gutter, right? So I'm going to change it. I think it was at 0, so I'm going to change it back to 0, right? And there it is back there. So I'm going to show you now how to change the margin is in centimeter. I'm going to show you now how to change it to inches. So you have to go to File, gonna come down to Options, then you're going to go to Advanced, and I'm gonna scroll down, and here it says centimeters. It says show measurements in units of centimeters. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna change this to inches. I'm gonna click OK. Then now, when we look when we click this to give us the page setup, we can now see that we have it in inches. These little two symbols indicate that is inch, right? So you have 1 inch to the left, 1 inch to the right. So this is how you would change the margins to inches if your setup page setup dialog box was originally in centimeters, right? So if I want to go back and change it back to centimeters, I would come back again to File, Options, then you would choose under this options here, would change to Advanced, then we would scroll down until we see Show Measurements in Units of Centimeters. We click OK, and then now when we click here, we get the page up, and now it's now in centimeters. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, I showed you how to change the measurements from centimeter, which is metric, to inches, and I showed you how to change it from inches to centimeter. I also showed you the gutter, and I explained to you that the gutter is a part of the document that would enable you to bind it, right? So in the next video, I'll be showing you the while loop written in the Pascal language. So we're looking forward to seeing it in that video. Please take care. Until then, bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.